local weather forecast to identify when it will rain at your home. Put the rain gauge outside 45 minutes before it begins to rain. Most rain gauges can be mounted to a fence or put into the ground. It doesn't matter how it's mounted as long as it's standing up straight. Wait for 45 minutes after rainfall before you read the rain gauge. When you go to read your rain gauge, make sure it is at eye level. To get an accurate reading, you must read the rain gauge at the bottom of the meniscus. The meniscus is the curved line at the top of the water line. You may have noticed that there are many lines on a rain gauge. These lines may remind you of a ruler. They will help you to get an accurate reading. The large lines represent 1/10 of an inch. There are 10 of these in every inch. Locate the line on the rain gauge that is closest to the lowest point of the meniscus. Count the number of lines up to this last line. Note what 1/10 of an inch mark is closest to, but not above, the lowest point of the meniscus. For instance, in this example, the water is at the 4th line from the bottom of the gauge. This would be 4/10. If the water line is past the 1-inch mark, count the number of 1/10 lines past 1. This will be added to 1. For instance, in this example, the water is 2/10 above the 1-inch line. This would be 1 2/10.